As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm trying to decide between the Weber Q1000 and the Weber Summit S-470. Big price difference, obviously, but what are the real differences?
Okay, let's break it down. The Q1000 is a portable grill, right?
Yeah, small and easy to take tailgating.
Exactly. It's got one stainless steel burner putting out 8,500 BTUs, heating up 189 square inches of cooking space. Porcelain enameled cast iron grates, push-button ignition, pretty straightforward.
Okay, and the Summit S-470?
Whoa, completely different beast. This thing is a full-sized stainless steel grill. We're talking 4 stainless steel burners cranking out 48,800 BTUs, plus a side burner, a sear burner, a smoker burner, and a rear-mounted rotisserie burner.
Wow, that's a lot of burners.
Tell me about it. Total cooking area is 580 square inches, with stainless steel grates and flavorizer bars. It's got lighted control knobs, a built-in thermometer, and even a fuel gauge.
So the Q1000 is way smaller. What about the materials? Are they the same?
The Q1000 has cast aluminum lid and body. The Summit is all stainless steel. Stainless steel is more durable, right?
Makes sense. So the Summit is bigger and more powerful, but what about size?
The Q1000 is compact, designed to be portable. The Summit is huge, a full-size freestanding grill.
Okay, so portability versus full-size grilling.
Exactly. Think about how you'll use it. Quick burgers on the go? Q1000. Serious backyard barbecues with all the bells and whistles? Summit S-470.
What about the other features? I saw the Summit has a rotisserie.
Yeah, and a smoker box. The Q1000 is pretty basic. It's got push-button ignition and split grates so you can add a griddle, but that's about it.
Right, so the Summit is for someone who wants to do a lot more than just grill burgers.
Precisely. It's a whole outdoor cooking station. Oh, and the Summit also has an enclosed cart for storage. The Q1000, you'd probably need a separate table.
Okay, that helps a lot. It sounds like the Summit is overkill for my needs. The Q1000 seems perfect for small grilling.
There you go. Just depends on what kind of grilling you want to do.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.